business analyst, you are in product management profession. So in Scrum, the product management role is with the product owner. So let's first understand who is product owner.
Who is a product owner? Let's explore that a bit. A product starts with a vision. In order to achieve the vision, there are 4 kinds of people you have to deal with. Users, the main reason why you're building your product, those who use your product to get some job done. You have to do user research to understand their jobs, pains, needs, and what kind of relationship is required to help them. Then there are buyers who buy the product for their users. Sometimes they could be the same, but not necessarily. If I'm buying food for myself, I'm the user and I'm the buyer. If I'm buying a phone for my friend Sharky at Startup Planner as a birthday present, he is the user and I'm the buyer. The users generally want the best, and the buyers explore all possible options before buying. You have to do market research to understand the competitors, partners, and sales channels and strategically decide the position of your product. Then there are sponsors who invest in the product hoping that there will be a return on their investment. You have to understand their expectations and design a business model to fulfill their expectations. You will be a key decision maker and decide what's valuable to build from a business perspective and when to pivot. Then there are talented development team members. You have to collaborate with them to help them understand what needs to be built, answer their questions, and review the work done and provide feedback. You need to ensure that they are building the right thing. User research and product development is creative and tactical work generally facilitated by people like business analysts or product analysts. Market research and business model design is strategic work and is generally done by product strategy and marketing specialists. So who is a product owner? Combination of a product marketing manager and a business analyst. Does this sound like a crazy, insane thing to do? Well, remember what I said earlier. If you call yourself an owner, you are responsible for everything. You are responsible for maximizing the value of the product. You may not do everything yourself, and you might get help, but you own every outcome, every decision, and every activity.
As you understood from the video, you have 50% of the skills required for product owner. So you map closely to product owner's role. So your natural progression should be towards becoming a product owner. First and foremost thing, attend any of our Certified Scrum Product Owner workshops or product management workshops. And then at your workplace, start shadowing one of the product owners to learn more about how they do their job day to day. And then there are meetups, product management meetups. So there is Play Scrum meetup, where there are product owner series, and then there is product tank meetup. So attend these meetups to connect with practicing product owners and understand how they do things.